Hello, YouTube. It's BTM here. Welcome you guys back to the Black Tiger Miner YouTube channel. So remember, Kaspa, Kaspa, Kaspa. Let's get back to the money, guys. So today's video, we're talking about price predictions for Kaspa. So let me know what your price prediction is, and we're going to go over the numbers. One of the price predictions, I thought I wrote it down, but I guess I didn't, was who is this? I think this guy mentioned $4 by the end of 2024. So let me know what you think about that. I know that's probably a pretty big prediction, but let me know what you guys think about that. And we'll look at Bitcoin. Bitcoin has reached the 57,000 mark and still pushing. So I think this week it's up 10%, which is a lot for Bitcoin and how Bitcoin moves, right? Let's see here. Bitcoin is up 10%. I'm tripping. 10% this week. And let's see. I thought I had it here. Guess not. Let me see if I can pull it up. So Caspa is up 0.35% in the last hour, 0.23% in the last day. I was going to look at Bitcoin real quick. Then we'll look at the Caspa price predictions. Trying to wait for people to come before we get too deep into it. Get people logged in and situated and kind of conversating. Then we'll look at the Kaspa price prediction. Bitcoin's currently at 57,161. It's up 0.29 last hour, up 7.12 in the last 24 hours, up 11.74 in the last 7 days, 34.8 in the last 30 days, and 51.02 in the last 90 days. And if you follow Bitcoin, that's a lot, right? If you see the chart here, it was down, what is this? January. From January, it's slowly marching up. So it might get to that. I think it might hit 60,000 before the halving. So let me know what you think about that as well. Just trying to see if you guys have any idea about Bitcoin and the Bitcoin price before the halving. So remember, Kaspa, 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 and join the Twitter page when you get a chance, so you can get news and updates. This is Crypto Jesus, pacing my fellow Kaspa holders, Caspians, Kaspa, Kaspa, Kaspa. Let the Bitcoin maxis have their moment, and they're more than earned it. We know Kaspa follows its own path, and because it is fair launched, its charts are as smooth as a baby's bottom. The candles are coming, and now shall be green and large. Interesting. So this is cryptograph. Merchants accepting Kaspa tokens directly for goods and services have increased, driving the demand and putting upward pressure on the token. And I did have someone in the chat mention yesterday that they were the first people to use Kaspa at that Korean restaurant. So big shout out to them, and shout out to the Korean restaurant and Kaspa, Kaspa, Kaspa. Right? We need more adoption, and we need people to get the word out so Kaspa will spread. And I was trying to see if I can actually, let me see if I can pull it up real quick. See if I can find that person that mentioned it in the comments yesterday. But as we're here, we'll look at the crypto bubble. So Gala's up 6.6%. Gala's up 15.2. Wow. Pepe's up 56.9. I did get into Pepe, but I sold it. I might have to check back into it. Maya's up 4.7. Swaps up 3.5. I didn't check back with that. Lithium is up 2.9. Shib's up 8%. Flex is up 14.7. Beam's up 8. Okay, here it is. So in our comments, Space Peck, hey all, I live in Omaha and went to Coco's to have lunch. Apparently, I'm the honor of being the first customer to pay in Caspa. So SPAC, get us a picture, a shot, or something. We can put it on social media for talking about the adoption. So big shout out to that. Kaspa Silver, please be careful. Banking crisis. The threat war grows. Central banks will push for CBDC, central bank digital currency, to spy on us. I am buying more Bitcoin and silver tokens. Silver's biggest bargain. I will use silver as money and not fake or US fake dollars. Interesting. I'm designed. Let me see. Go back here. So let me know where you guys are from as you come in, and price prediction. I'll design a series of phone wallpapers inspired by your favorite crypto projects. Which one should we start with? Vote below and shout out to our favorite project in the comments. And looks like the overwhelming the majority of the poll is pulling to Caspa. So remember, Caspa. And let's get back to the numbers here. But that's weird. Why is this? I just thought of something. Okay. So let's see here. The project to the moon looks beautiful and very close. And he's right. We are pulling in closer to the I guess pump or the takeoff or starting up of the moon boys or the launch. I don't know what you want to call it. I don't know. But the moon is closer, and you see these guys we're doing what is that? I think NASA landed something on the moon recently. So I guess they're trying to pave the way for Caspa. Shout out to Israel Brother in Virginia. Mining, Virginia. Mining, Virginia is a place? Are you saying, oh, okay, Virginia. Okay, shout out to Israel Brother. Yeah, no. Yeah, time's not out. Even when it does take off, we can still buy it, right? If you got a bag, you can keep pumping the bag, right? It's not over when it takes off. It's just not going to be as um, cheap to get. We can still buy it, right? Buy it like you DCA into Bitcoin. So looks like we got 10 people. So I guess we can start the price prediction. So let's see here. We'll start with this guy. So this is Change Lee, I guess, blog. So Caspa's real-time CAS to USD price update shows current Caspa at 17 cents. And I think we are at 17. Where are we? Yeah, 16.9. So that makes sense. Some of these predictions are older, so they kind of fluctuate from the when it started to now, right? Some of these guys have been listed in and made the article, and we're just getting to the article. Our technical indicators show about bullish 85% of the market sentiment, Caspa, while fear and the greed index displays a score of 72, which is greed. Our most recent price indicates that the value will increase to 0.72% and increase of 16.9 by February 28th. And these guys were actually on the money, right? We're at 16.9 when this article was made. Let's check real quick. We'll come back up to the numbers. Just want to see if there was a date on here. And there's not. So this is February 29th, 16.3 cents. February 28th, 16.8. 29th, 16.9. March 1st, 16.4. Where are we currently? Let's see, where is this? Currently, we're at 16.9. Okay. 16.9. 16.4. So they're saying it's going to be a pullback. March 2nd, 15.9. March 3rd, 15.5. Ooh, March 4th, it pumps to 17.4. March 5th to 17.1. And then there's looks like there's a dip on March 6th. 15.8. March 7th, 17.4. March 8th, 15.7, the 9th, 15.9, 16.5, 16.9, 17.1, 16.7, and the 15th is 16.2. So that is the changeley.com. So if we go to ccn.com, which I always think is CNN, but it's not. So I guess I just get that backwards from time to time. Shout out to who's in the chat. Let me know what you're thinking, talking, and what you guys are thinking for the price prediction, because these price predictions are all over the place. Go ahead and hit the like, subscribe, share with your fam, get them in talking about Kaspa price predictions, right? It's BTM, and we're going over price predictions for Caspa in 2024. So this is CCN. Let's examine some Caspa price predictions being made January 2024. That was 3 days ago. It's critical to bear in mind that these price forecasts, particularly, are for potential volatile assets like cryptocurrency. Often turn out to be inaccurate. We know that, but we're just kind of getting a filler or kind of figuring out basically a price summary or a regular option, right? Or something that is possible in the price predictions for Caspa. So this is, additionally, please remember that many long-term crypto predictions are generally using algorithms, which mean they can change from time to time. And this is January 24th. So I guess 3 days ago. So I wonder how much it changed in 3 days. So this is 2024. Prediction 1 is 20 cents. 2025, 22 cents, and 2030, 72 cents. So yeah, this is algorithms kind of bad. If you think it's only going to go up 2 cents in a year, that definitely doesn't follow the current model. Prediction 2 is 13.7 and 20 cents. Prediction 4 is 24, or prediction 3, 24 cents and 44 cents. And I'm kind of leaning to it passing 25 cents before the halving. So let me know what you think about that. This is my prediction. This is not financial advice. This is just for entertainment purposes. And this is just me making wild predictions. So this is Caspa's prediction 2023 would drop to 0.09 by January 2029 and climb to 0.09 by February 2023. And technicals analyst was bearish with 20 indicators showing a beatdown signals, just several making bullish ones. So obviously that wasn't correct. Caspa 20 cents in 2024. This is digital coin price, priceprediction.net, 17 or 13.7, BitNation, and 24.9 this year. So moving on, this is, let's see here. Coinedition.com, Caspa's price prediction 2024 and 2030. Caspa will soon hit $1. So now we're kind of getting closer or getting more accurate, right? And this guy says Caspa's price prediction ranges from 39 cents to 45 cents. I'm with that. Caspa price could also reach above 83.1 cents in 2024. I like that as well. Caspa's bearish prediction for 2024 is 0.007. That's not happening. I don't even know when they published this. You got the nerve to say less than 7 cents, and you published this last week? Yeah, about actually a week ago. Published this last Tuesday. Interesting. So this is what we know what Caspa is. Caspa ranks 110 on Coin Market Cap. Currently does not. The biggest listing by marketization. Most recent improvement additions modify the price rise. Let's focus on the charts. What do you mean? Does it rank? It don't rank 100 and this guy talking about 100 and no. I don't know. I'm not even sure if I can even continue this guy. Let's see where were we? We're here. No, we were here. Yeah. Okay. So the Bollinger Band research, yada yada yada. 20. Based on the imperial law of standard deviation, 95% of the data sets will fall within 2 standard deviations. Mid-October candle climbed half region of Bollinger Bands. Candle started the upper band of Bollinger. Normally, traders see the overbought trading activity. Kaspa's analysis RSI, the momentum indicator utilized to find the current trend of price movement and determine the oversold and overbought region. Traders often use this tool to determine the buy or sell tokens. RSI, of course, let's freaking go. Overvalued below or at 13 or above 70 or below 30, like we say a lot in the videos. And once it gets above 70, look for a green candle. MACD, kind of look for MACD indicator used to identify potential trends and momentums and reversals. MACD readings, moving average, which is the moving average conveyance difference, which is the MACD, calculated by subtracting long-term EMA, exponent moving average indicators, and short-term EMA. Normally defaults to MACD sets as 12 days, 26 days, and 9 days. That's pretty interesting. I mean, I knew that, but I haven't been reading up on it. So that's some pretty good detail there. I do have some Chronos tokens, only because you got to get Chrono tokens when you use crypto.com, but I'm not really doing much with them. And I don't know, I can check the price actually, but I generally use those and trade them off. I try not to hold on to them. Let's see here. If we can get logged in. Why is this not working? Damn it. Yeah, Chronos tokens CRO is up 5% today. So yeah, we might have to check onto that actually. But this is the bearish price prediction. Meanwhile, cash remains bearish and expected to reach below the level of 0.39 to 0.45. The bearish prediction ranges to 0.002, 0.007. However, off the chance of cash experiences, bullish sentiment again, high possibility that the trade level will be 0.83. Oh, wow. So he's saying it could get to 83 cents. Bearish is 39 cents to 45 cents. Sorry, bullish is 39 to 45 cents. Bearish is 0002 and 007, which is a long way down. So I don't know that I'm really supporting this, but I do like the numbers. Most of the time here, Bitcoin rises, traders have observed a similar surge in altcoins. Caspa could be affected by the Bitcoin halving and could trade below the price of $1.26 by the end of 2024. And I'm with that. $1.26 is definitely cool. It's almost $2. But why do they always say below the price of? That's kind of weird. But yeah, so this guy, Crypt or Coin Edition, is saying possibly $1.86 moving forward to digital coin prices. Digital coin price has Caspa's minimum 15 cent in 2024, average 35 cents, maximum 37 cents. 2025, minimum 36 cents, average 41 cents, and maximum 43. So what did this guy say? 38 to 45. Okay. And these guys have 36 to 41 in 2025, 50 to 59 in 2026, 65 to 76 in 2027. So let me know what you guys think about that, and let me know your 2024 price predictions. Moving on, this is I guess Ob crypto, Ibreen crypto. My price prediction for the end of the year is I'd have to say I think $1.10, right? Somewhere around $1 by the end of 2024. I think it's going to make a push up to maybe $1.25 and come back down to $1.10 or $1.05. But it's going to be a little bit over $1. Write it down, take a picture, so when it happens, you know you're headed first. And if you've been following me, generally my predictions are pretty close to right? 900% right. I'm probably not 80%, but I'm probably a little over 75 to 80% right? I'm just saying I can go back and actually do the numbers, but I got a pretty good track record. So shout out to Kaspa, and Black Tiger Miner. And let me know your guys' price predictions. So this is, I don't know what Auburn Crypto, I am Crypto. I don't know. I'm probably butchering their name. So Caspa's gross is 2,252.3 yield to date rise. Um, Current price is price to 26.4. Caspa's significant surge in value is now climbing up the market cap leader with potential growth. During the past year, Caspa was up 2,252.3 and is nearing new highs. Yet, according to Cash trading session data, it's clear in the past 30 days it's up 77%. And in the week alone, it moved above 18-cent price barrier. According to Caspa price prediction, it could end the 2024 at 26 cents. And it's definitely going to be higher than that. So shout out to the Caspa Army and the Caspians and Genual. I think that's Genual. $2 and above by the end of 24. Hey, I'm with that too. Anything over $1, I'm definitely with. But I think it's going to be somewhere between $1 and $2. Maybe in the $1.50 and go back down, because I know some guys are going to take profit at the end of the year. So whatever it is, it's going to go down slightly at the end of the year because people are going to take profit. So shout out to the Caspian Army. Don't forget to donate to the channel and watch the Caspa price pump. Let's see here. This is Caspa. bitscreener.com. Caspa for 2024. Caspa price prediction for 2024 as our projected cast coin is expected to obtain a maximum of 20 cents, accompanied by a minimum around 0.8 cents for the same year. 2030, 64 cents to 78 cents by 2030. Increase of 78 to 64. When was this article published? Because this is ludicrous. You think it's only going to get to 20 cents, 60 cent in 2030? Yeah, this is ludicrous. 18.3 is the average, 8 as the low, and 20 cents is the high in 2024. 32 is the average, 17 cent and the low, and 34 cents is the high. Definitely not good either. Yeah, tier one listing, you're right. Tier one listing is going to make a pop. I agree with you 100%. Once that tier one hits on, we are to the freaking moon. So let's go. Remember, Kaspa. And moving on, because I didn't like this price prediction either. This is 2024. February, 16.2 cents. Low 9 cents. High 18 cents. So I think that was pretty close, actually. March, 16.2 cents. Low 16.2 cents. And the high 16.2 cents. That's weird. April, 16.2. Low 16.2. High 16.3. March, 16.4. 16.2 and 16.5. Yeah, you're right. These are crazy. So this is crypto again, or ABM, whatever you want to call it. And this is what we're looking at here. They're saying could hit $3.44 in 2024. And I agree with that. It could hit, and it's going to drive Caspa crazy. People who didn't buy in are going to be super sad face. The fudders are going to be going crazy. Caspa is going to be on fire. The miners are going to be on fire. Everything Caspa, t-shirts, pins, pendants, hats. We're going to boom Caspa gear all the way out. If it gets to $3.44, I don't know what to do, guys. But let me calm down and get back to the report here. Caspa's price in the same week is 16 cents. It has moved 7.3 cents down in the past week. Currently at 17 cents. In fact, in the past 24 hours, it has pumped by 4.52%. There's a slightly bullish sentiment in the crypto market, and the long-term sentiment, however, remains bullish, and Caspa could hit 0.35. I don't even know what this guy's talking about. Is this a misprint in 2025? Okay, that's super weird. These numbers are bad too. I don't understand what's going on here. You hyped us up to give us some relatively bleak numbers. Relative the RSI 50 mark in January, along with a bullish effort to surpass 12 cents, which they did. Indicator stood at 2.2 billion. So this is February at 18 cents, low 17 cents, high 19 cents. These guys might be onto something. February 29, 18 cents, 17 cents, and 20 cents. April 19 cents, 18 cents, and 21 cents. March 20 cents, 19 cent and 22 cents. March 7th, 31 cent, 29 cent and 34 cents. So, snaps. Oh, snaps. You see it here. Okay. This is a good prediction. Take a picture, write it down, follow this website. This is not financial advice, but I'm seeing here something's happening, guys. So look here. March 7th, 31 cents, 29 cents, and 34. March 12th, 69 cents, low 62 cents, high 71 cents. March 22nd, $1. Booyah. That's what I'm talking about. Low is 95 cents and 110. So if you're following this pattern, March 28th, or April 24, $2.86, 266 cents, and 306. So follow me here. March 2nd to March 7th, it goes up about 10 cents. March 7th to March 12th goes up 30 cents. March 12th to the 24th, it goes up almost 40 cents. March 22nd to April, it goes up $1. So somewhere between March 7th and the 12th, we're going to get a tier 1 listing. Right? Remember where you heard it first? Write it down, share it. I'm telling you guys, my predictions is not 100%. I'm around 70 to 80%, guys. March 7th to the 12th means somebody's listing it, right? A go to it ain't popped 30 cents in the whole time, right? And then from the March 22nd to April 24th, that's almost $1.83, right? And it ain't never went up $1.83. It's never jumped that high. This is the infamous Coinbase listing. Write it down. I'm telling you, I'm trying to shout you out. Remember Kaspa, Kaspa, Kaspa. Remember Black Tiger Miner. And go ahead and donate to the channel. Hit the Cash app or the Kaspa. I'm telling you, this is not financial advice. I don't want you selling your kidneys to buy in Kaspa, but make sure whatever you do, get as much DCA in you can before March 12th, right? Sometime between March 12th and 22nd, March 12th and March 22nd, accumulate as much Caspa as possible, right? And if it says here from the 22nd to April 24th, which is the halving, I suspect sometime in here, that's when the price jumps. And I do like this. I'm going to save this, guys, because this makes the most sense of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pages of price predictions, right? Let's see what this guy is. It's another price prediction. And Caspa will be $1 soon. Bullish, 29 cents. Hopium. You don't like Hopium. What's Hopium? What's Hopium? That's a website? I don't know here. 24-hour price up 13.46%, 120. Current price is 16.28. This must be old. And tells us what Caspa is, buy indicator. So let's go back to this guy. Let's go back to this. I need to make a picture of this and definitely keep this website. So let's see. There are 0 possibilities to see Caspa at $2 at the end of 24. I'm a Caspa miner, and the price you predict is totally crazy. Maybe, but if it's right, remember where you heard it first. Yes. What is this? Genual? Steve, what are you talking about? What is Hopium? I'm not sure what Hopium is. But yeah. You're right. Coinbase will take it to Mars. And that's what I think people don't realize, right? There is this Julian, this guy, Julio. Sorry if I get your name wrong. I'm not even sure what I'm not even sure what this says. So sorry if I get your name wrong. But you're not taking into account what Gina was saying here. Caspa doesn't even have a tier 1 listing, right? So the price of Caspa going to $2 is easily with one tier 1 listing. And think if more than one tier 1 list Caspa, right? We've been got to this point solely on small exchanges, right? There's not even a major exchange to get Caspa. So we're solely at 16.9. We find a better where's coin market cap? Let's see here, live coin watch. Let me go back to Caspa. So it's at 16.8, right? $3.8 billion market cap. And it's not even on a major exchange, right? It's not even easy to get. Most of the time, in most of my videos, most of the time, people are asking how to buy Caspa. Like this guy. Shout out to Tron. Everyone's always asking how to buy Caspa. So it's not even readily available. Hopium, too much hope in the prediction. Definitely. But like this guy's saying, it's not even easy to get, right? You can get it through Uphold. You can get Trade Ogre, but I don't recommend that because Trade Ogre is holding Caspa in the Caspia wallets. I think you can use Change Now. You can go to Zelcore and swap it. And quick commercial break. I did get the Tangent wallet today. I need to open it up and actually get that set up. So shout out to Tangent, and they're giving me a code. So when I do get it set up, I can start using that code as well. But the easiest way to get it is to swap it with another exchange. And I think there was a Reddit article talking about that as well. Pull that up real quick. See if we can find that posting from Reddit. But you can see Caspa is 17.9 cents today. And let me see, joining, yada, yada. Is there any response here? No. There he is, but that's not what I was looking for. Caspa 3 predictions. Caspa 3. What happened to the final? No. So let's see here. I thought it was I should have wrote that down somewhere. Oh yeah, okay. Maybe I was getting too hopeful to see about the price or about the price prediction, but I'm telling you guys, Caspa is going to take off, right? Soon as that tier 1 listing happens, and these guys are currently in the process of adding Caspa so they can list it. Somebody is going to list it, guys. Let me see. Let's try searching. It might be faster. Bingo. Okay, here we go. For your question, sorry it took so long. Who is this? Sorry it took so long. Tron. So you can get it on whatever country you're in. So there's KuCoin, storing it on Tangent, Uphold, Mexi, Tangent card, and shout out to Tangent for the Tangent card. I'm gonna see how it works with Tangent. United States eggs or non KYC. I don't even know what they're talking about. So Tangent Wallet is the easiest way to swap. I don't know about Walmart. Mexi on VPN. I don't recommend using the VPN thing. I tried it. Uh, I heard some things about Mexi and they can lock your account and withhold it and a lot of weird stuff. Kraken later this year. KuCoin. KuCoin for storing. Da 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 da. FOMO out. Da 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 da. Da 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 da. Um, KDX is the wallet, I think. I don't know if you can get it on the wallet. Can you get it with KDX? That's weird. Swap space, simple swap, Zelcore. Yep, that's my guys. You can swap it in Zelcore and any other place. And let's see what you guys are talking in the chat here. All I know is I need 50,000 more to feel good about myself. Yeah, I'm trying to get to over 100,000 myself, sir. Which that would easily put me maybe, I don't know, 25,000, put me over 100,000, and I would feel great if it was 100,000 and it came to $3 a share. Yeah, would you buy it? I didn't buy it. Yeah, they didn't buy it to hold it. Israel brother, facts on the 50K. Good luck. If I have an exchange, I use Uphold. Yeah, Uphold's pretty good. BitBuy's pretty good. No problem, Tron. That's what we're here for. Tron, that's what we're here for, right? Trying to help you guys get on, right? I'm not trying to scam anybody. I'm not trying to charge you $400 a month for a subscription. I just want to get the information out. I've been in crypto for at least, I don't know, 5 to 6 years, right? I've been mining for at least 6 years. And mining's hard, right? I'm not gonna lie to you. Getting the stuff together, configuring these hard drives, these motherboards, and without YouTube, I probably wouldn't have been able to do it. So I want to help YouTube, kind of give back to YouTube as you guys had helped me in the past. That I got from YouTube, or kind of get the same overall understanding, because crypto is going to make a lot of people millionaires. Like this, there's no doubt that cryptocurrency is going to help a lot of people with generational wealth. And what's going on here? Hope you're right, my friend. We're all in the same boat. In my opinion, the price could hit $2 only when a all tier one exchange lists Caspa. Oh, A, all tier one exchanges list Caspa. B, Caspa to bend BPS or more smart contracts. And I do agree with you. Definitely B and C. But I think if all three of these happen, you're right. It's going to freaking rocket, right? And I don't think it even has to be on all tier one. I think one or two tier ones could make that happen, right? I think straight up, man. I think somebody mentioned this in the chat earlier. Implementation when the rewards of miners decrease significantly at the end of or 36 cash or even 2026 per block. I think someone mentioned this in the chat earlier. Actually, I know this guy, genuine for the amount of coin. When this happens, when Caspa is readily available in the US through Coinbase, and Coinbase has a lot of users, 108 million looks like, and with Coinbase, you have to get a premium account to buy it. So a lot of these people on Coinbase are not going to just be buying 2 and 3 Caspa, right? They're going to go in deep and they're going to pick up a mess load of Caspa. And that's what I think Caspa is missing currently, right? Don't forget to donate to the channel and support to BTM, guys. Let me see here. What was I gonna do? Oh yeah. Actually gonna look at the numbers for the day because I've been talking jibber jabbing and I haven't even went over the actual information from today. So this is currently Caspa is 16.9 cents to 3.8 billion market cap. Current price. TPS is 1.0. BPS. Ooh, you see that? TPS is 5. BPS is 1.4. Current price is 16.9, up 2.8%. 24-hour volume is 68,000. Current rank is 30. Market cap is 3.8 billion. Hash rate is 169 petahash. Percent mined is 79.5. Next reduction is 7 days to 123. And live coin watch, current market cap is 3.8 billion. 24-hour trading volume is 124 million. Last hour is up 0.54%. 24 hours is down 0.2%. 7 days it's up down 2.1%. 60 days is up 30 days is up 60.2. 90 days is up 30.1, and for the year it's up 1,577. Let's see here. Current 24-hour low is 16.6. 24-hour high is 17.4. And where is that Yotoshi screen? It's here. So we're going to look at the top addresses. Again, only tier 1 exchange lists can make Casper a more accurate prediction. And you're right. Not happening, it's going to pop. But this Rust rewrite, damn it. Oh, wow. The Rust rewrite in DAGKNIGHT will be late 2025. This can happen before Smart. I thought they was going to get this Rust pushed out this year because they've been testing the heck out of that. I thought it was already done. I thought they were still testing it. Interesting. So yeah. Shout out to the Kaspa Army. Kaspa's an army, better get the Navy and the Air Force. Where's the Air Force at today, guys? Shout out to Kaspa. Let's get back to the money. So Ghost Night will take another year. Good information, Steve. I didn't know that. I thought they were closing in. So let's look at the current dashboard. Addresses is 311,726. Last hour we lost 81 crabs. Got 13 octopus, lost 3 fish, and 1 dolphin. Last 24 hours we added 130 octopus. We lost 169 crabs, 127 fish, gained 6 dolphins and 4 sharks, lost a whale, and no movement with the Aquaman. So shout out to the Aquaman, whoever he is or whatever currency. Mint, I don't know where you got the information was incorrect. So what information is incorrect, Steve, or genuine, I guess. Ghost Rewrites is in testnet right now. I think it could release this summer. And I was thinking that too. I don't even know why it's taking this long. You guys have already released it and tested on the testnet. I mean, I could see error on the caution versus getting too quick. But you guys got to go ahead and put it out there, at least partial releasing. And don't forget to donate to the channel. Summer is mainnet is relaunched. Okay. So we're looking at the addresses here. Gate.io added 2.8 million. Mexi added 3.2 million. Mexi lost 5.1 million. This guy added 400 or 740,000. Lost 740,000 Mexi. BitGet added 3.3 million. This guy added 1.2 million. BitGet added 1.4 million. This guy added 918. This guy lost 213. And KuCoin lost 3.8 million. Let's go back here. The whale didn't, Aquaman didn't change. Uphold didn't change, but they moved up. Uphold wasn't here yesterday. No change here. And 1 second. Thought I had to sneeze, but I guess not. Okay, and then we'll go back to checking through the addresses here. I guess we'll look at, look at 4-hour chart for Caspa. This is Trading View. Trading View RSI is around 50. So we need the RSI to start pumping back to get a green candle. And the relative RSI is down as well. So MACD did it cross? Can't even see it here. But we did up and down in volume here. I think we lost some volume again. We'll look at the day chart. Day chart is showing the RSI is up kind of high actually. And we did get a crossing. So we're building volume. So I think that there is a pump coming. Maybe generally starts Wednesday, Thursday, or Friday. So something might start Thursday and Friday and go into the weekend because it will be March. So I think if someone does list in March, we're going to get some price movement. Looks like a lot of conversation going on in the chat. Let me catch up to what you guys are talking about over here. Summer of Mainnet will be launched. Rust rewrite gets 10 blocks per second. DAGKNIGHT is 100. It's suitable for smart contracts. Rewrite prediction is fall per comments by Sudden on the test net in the Discord. Okay, that's why I get my information straight from Kaspa developers. Too many misinformation on YouTube channels, and definitely too much misinformation floating around. I don't know where else to get it from but the Discords, but there is a recent conference I haven't looked at. Yeah, they did have a conference and I was waiting for the translation. So at some point, maybe tomorrow or on the next live, we can kind of decipher what happened at the conference. I'm telling you, I'm telling you, Caspa doesn't need but so much to mope up the price. Moon up the price. I don't know. You may be right. As long as nothing else goes wrong, expectations. And yes, you're right. Caspa. So wait a minute. Genuine Julian. I'm gonna call you G, right? Just to be on the safe side. What information or which developers you talking to? Can you help us out there? Can you give us some information? And maybe we can help pass on this information to other Caspians and the Caspa network as whole. Because yes, there's a lot of bad information, a lot of misinformation floating around on Caspa. Too much misinformation going on. Just trying to figure out and help the Caspa Caspians, the Caspa family, be current with what's going on with Caspa, so we can help out in that. And that's all we need is price action. You're right. Actually, we're definitely going to have to get a tier 1 exchange listing. Once it's easier to find, I think it'll help out. Oh yeah, I was looking at this too. So this is the Caspa page. Caspa contracts become the fastest, most scalable L1 POW as we feel already reached the benchmark exists to fine-tuning peak performance. Performance sake, it is not the end of the gold. Caspa goal is to create a ultimate layer 1. Smart contracts and DeFi Label 2 applications is over. Latest Kaspa news, Kaspa contracts. So I want to say they had a roadmap somewhere. Let me see. I think I missed something here. So this is the Rust language coding is in testing. Mobile wallets completed. Integration to ledgers completed. They're still working on Rust. Upgrade consensus to follow. DAGKNIGHT is in development. Future transactions is in development. And they're planning. So they hadn't even started working on smart contracts. Let's see if there's any news. Kaspa waves and mobile get high and fly 2024. Past, present, and future. So there's no information, I guess, on the Kaspa website about the actual mainnet release. I'm just following what the devs on Twitter and official Discord are saying. Okay, guys. I mean, no problem there, right? We can only get so much information, and if we have it, cool. And if we don't, I mean, we'll have to wait and see. But I suspect. See, is there any information, updates, and projects? There's no releases here. So yeah, guys, I guess we'll just have to wait and see because yeah, there's a lot of information floating around. So let me know what you guys think about that as well, and let me get your price predictions. What do you guys think? And what did you guys get from the video today for the price predictions? Right? If there is any price prediction, or what do you think the price will be by 2024? So yeah, in this last run, let me just get price predictions. Let me see what you guys are thinking and what's going on for Caspa price. Did I close that? I actually like this guy. I mean, it's bold, and I know it might be kind of a lot for you guys, but this is going to be my go-to price prediction. So you're going to see this all over everywhere, right? I'm going to post this to Twitter and see how that goes. But I think this is a really good price prediction. So let me know what you guys think about that price prediction as well. And let me see what you guys are saying for the price prediction. Just making some Twitter postings real quick. Let me know what you guys think. Price prediction. Waiting to see someone's price prediction there. Sorry about that. Let's see. What was the price prediction? What was it? It was. Did I lose the page? $2. 286. I'm just making a posting real quick. And I wonder if I can put a, sure can't. Dang it. Well, let's see here. Back to the reasonable prices after it hits 50 cents. What's your second bullish crypto? Oh yeah, what other cryptos are you guys in? Dow Wallet with 600 million, maybe bridge 30 million to post chain. Let me see. What is my next bullish crypto? Um, that's a good question actually. Um, what am I bullish on? That's a good question. I'm actually kind of bullish on I guess Bitcoin, Lithium, Uniswap, uh Cardano. Most of these are low market cap tokens. So I'm trying to keep it profitable so I can just go back into Caspa once these altcoins pop. So I have been looking at a few altcoins. And let's see here. What are your other cryptos you're looking at? Yeah, I guess Uniswap, Cardano, Solana. Solana's my next biggest between Solana and Bitcoin and Uniswap. And then the rest are micro caps. So let me see if I have the micro cap. I have that listing and pull it up real quick. Let's see here. Weird. I'll log back in. Let's see what do you guys have? I like SEC. Yeah, definitely. $4. I got $4 at the top of the bull run. So what are the other cryptos you guys are interested in? I didn't like getting any much response back there. Come on. This is so every time with this. Who is this? Yeah, Lithium, Caspa, Bitcoin. That's pretty much just keeping it simple, guys. And then a few other micro caps. Yeah. I low-key missed the Solana boat too, though. Too many YouTubers following, which I like under the radar. Yeah, no. What's this guy? Dusty BC, Alex Becker. They got a lot of good AI coins and gaming coins. So I'm kind of looking at player ball as well. And I had a list. Yeah, here we go. Tripping. AI coins, AVAX, Chainlink, IMX, Beam, Superverse, Oasis, Prime, Hero of Medina, something. Neo Tokyo and Paid, right? And definitely I think Oasis and more kind of infrastructure of game and tokens, right? Like Chainlink and IMX and Prime and Oasis. So, not financial advice. Do your own research and your own due diligence. And let me know what you think. Maybe tomorrow we can go over AI and gaming and altcoins. And SCI is good. And what is that? SUE. So this is SEI. So I got into it kind of back here. So we'll see how far that pumps to. And let's see. Chainlink is down. So would be a good dip buy actually. Let's see. AVAX. Avalanche is number 9. And that might be a good pick up as well. See if we can find Oasis. Let's see. OS. Yeah, this guy. It's down to 12.2 as well. Market cap 246 million. So it's still kind of under the radar. But let me know what you guys think about that one as well. And let's see if we can find his heroes of whatever. Yeah, this guy. It's a gaming token is down 13. It's at 7 cents. Market cap 213.5 million. 1.4 down 1.4%. Down 4.9 for the day and 5.9 for the week. And I think I saw that on Dex Tools. And let's see, this forward. Let's see, PY. Let me see, PYR. Yeah, Vulcan Forge. Another one to look out. It's down 2 places. Market cap is 203.4, and current volume is 18.5. So again, these are macro caps. These are really small projects that might take off as well in the bull run. And again, I don't want to hold you guys too long. Thanks for joining the channel. Go ahead and like, share, and subscribe and donate. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. You guys, some people are signing up for these Patreons and a lot of this information, and folks are dumping, right? Like CG and his private Patreon, the $400 a month, and then they dump on all the people that are $100 a month. I don't know about you guys, but I'd be very pissed if I was paying $100 a month and keep getting dumped on. And actually, I wouldn't even pay $100 a month, right? Think about if you pay $400 a month, you could be using that money and investing in your own research, right? Versus you paying, it might pop, but then at some point you're going to hit a bottom and things are going to get crazy for you. So shout out to AR, finally made it to the chat. Caspa's Army, better yet the Navy and the Air Force and the Space Force, baby. We're going to the moon. So shout out to everyone joining the channel. Had a good conversation today. Thanks for your price predictions and all the other information. Remember to dance with who brought you to the party, right? Here he is, Paul Wilson with the Air Force. Kaspa. Remember, dance with who brought you to the party, guys. And look through the pricing predictions. I'm going to pull that back up here. So anyone that just popped in. So for March 1st, we got 19 cents. March 2nd, 20 cents. March 7th, 31 cents. March 12th, 60 cents. March 22nd, $1.03. And April, $2.86, which might be part of the halving or might just be a tier one listing. As I said earlier, I suspect between March 12th and the 22nd, we might get a tier one listing. And between the 22nd and April 2024, I think this is a Coinbase listing. Because once that Coinbase lists, we are to the moon, fool. I'm telling you, that is going to be what sends Caspa straight to the, where'd my thing go? Straight to the moon. So where are we? Where is it? This is what's happening when Caspa is listed on Coinbase. The moon looks beautiful. The moon looks beautiful and is very close. So this little launch pad, we have a rocket that brings Coinbase here. And from there, we're looking at the moon, guys. And all right, Israel brother, been on for a minute. Thanks for everyone joining. Thanks for your donations. Looks like we got a couple of donations over on what is this? Over on Cash App. And it looks like I got a couple of wow. Somebody puts 50 Caspa to the Caspa address. Okay. I see you. I wish I could tell who pushed that over, but 50 Cas is definitely a good donation. Thanks for that. We'll go ahead and drop that in the wallet. I think that's what, I don't know. It's not crazy, but thanks for those donations. And I'll let you guys go. Been over an hour. I just kind of want to do hour lives. Don't want to go too far, too long. And I know this is probably most of you guys' lunchtime. But thanks for joining. And remember, Kaspa. And let's get back to the money, guys.